Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Realme C15. The box is pretty much like any other Realme phone with its yellow branding. At the back of the phone, you have some key features given here. You've got a 6000 mAh of mega battery, then you've got a 13 MP AI quad camera. Then of course, it's the screen and two other specifications are a bit hidden. Here you have some details about the color. So the color of the phone is a past silver. I can't wait to unbox this, so let's quickly do this. By the way, I broke the seals way in advance, so I'm eliminating that step. So this is what the phone looks like. You've got a quad camera set up at the back. Let me bring it a little close to the camera so you can see it properly. This is your fingerprint sensor. And this is how the phone actually looks like. Pretty bright. I'm pretty happy with this. Let me see if there are any pictures. No, so there are no pictures. Let's try and click one and see how the output is. Right, so this is how the camera looks like. Lighting is pretty good. Details are good enough. There's no graininess. And of course, you've got another camera right here in the front as well. And power button and of course the volume up and down buttons are here. You've got the SIM card port here. And what else do you get? So you get a charger as well, and of course a charging adapter. And let's see what else is in here. So these are the two booklets that you get. One is a quick start guide, the other one is a safety guide, pretty much like what you get in other Realme phones as well. So this will tell you how to set up your phone, including installing your SIM card, memory card, how to reboot your phone, how to switch system languages, and of course how to transfer old mobile content into the new one. The safety guide will have safety instructions and of course battery precautions. Very important to use, because most of the times we end up charging our phones with other chargers, which is highly not recommended. So take a good look at the phone. This is a very interesting phone in Realme's overall budget lineup. Let me go through the features once again. Featuring a 6000 mAh of battery. This is your companion for work and entertainment, because this is going to last you for a very long time before it runs out of battery. And of course, there's 18-watt quick charger right here in the box, and of course 13 MP quad camera and the AI selfie camera. Now this one is powered by artificial intelligence, which will also reflect in its quality. And of course it runs on Realme UI that's based on Android 10. There's 32 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card. So this is it as far as the unboxing is concerned. Stay tuned to the space for a more detailed review of the phone.